Do you know, pawikan or sea turtles, sometimes called marine turtles, are reptiles of the order Testudines. The 7 extant species of sea turtles are the green loggerhead, Kemp ridley, olive ridley, hawksbill, flatback, and leatherback. The majority of sea turtles' body is protected by its shell. The turtle shell is divided into 2 sections: carapace, the dorsal portion, and plastron, the ventral portion. The shell is made up of the smaller plates called scutes. The leatherback is the only sea turtle that does not have a hard shell. Instead, it bears a mosaic of bony plates beneath and leathery skin. In general, sea turtles have a more fusiform body plan than their terrestrial or freshwater counterparts. The reduced volume of a fusiform body means sea turtles cannot retract their head, legs, and arms into their shells for protection like other turtles can. However, this more streamlined body plan reduces drag in the water and allows the turtle to swim more easily. The leatherback is the largest species of sea turtle, measuring 2 to 3 meters, 6 to 9 feet in length, and 1 to 1.5 meters, 3 to 5 feet in width, weighing up to 700 kilograms or 1,500 pounds. Other species are smaller, being mostly 60 to 120 centimeter or 2 to 4 feet and proportional narrower. So this pawikan or sea turtles is a God made to protect the ocean, and when they laying their egg in the land, when the pawikan or sea turtles having birth is more than a 30 to 50 pieces. That's the other people not know the description of pawikan or sea turtles.